Hi friends, welcome to our channel Princess Rockstars. My name is Riza. Today we are going to make a paper butterfly like this. These two you can see now. So cute. Now we are going to make. For that, the things you need are glue, square paper and a scissor. And the easy way for making the square paper now. It's very easy, no problem. I'm
for
not
beginners.
going to. Yeah. Now just fold like this. This video is only for the beginners, okay? And fold again. Now open. Now we got like X shape now. You can see?
Yeah.
Now do like this. Now like this. Now we got like this. Now we need to level it, so just remove the remaining. Now got like this. Now just fold to the another side, opposite, okay? Now cut. Now we got like this now, so what, cut over here. Now we got a curve like this. Now look.
It's the wings of the butterfly.
Okay, take the only first sheet. This is so important, otherwise you will fail at this making this craft.
So you should pass.
Yeah, pass making this. It should be successful. Like, yeah.
We are successful.
We are not that much. Who said?
And we make mistakes.
Yeah.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Yeah. Now we just
Making
took.
mistakes.
You took. Now you took the triangle at the back now.
Okay, we took.
Now take the glue. Now we got. Now put. This is the last step.
A bit glue is enough.